just to remind you guys what the car looks like. I need to change up my wheel setup, but I've been too lazy to do anything about it. I don't know if I should go white wheels all around, black wheels all around. Let me know in the comments. So it's one of those kind of busy nights. It's apparently a Bucky shootout tonight, so I'm going to race with my boot open. Yeah, it's quite busy. I'm not that late, but it should be a good night. That means I'm probably not going to get in too many runs, unfortunately, but yeah, let's hope it's a good night for the spectators. I'm racing a Mk2 Jetta 2-litre 8-valve. It'll be my first run. I will run on low boost, see what the car's like. Yeah, at least now I won't be tempted to switch to high. For the next run I'll go high boost, which I just want to pull a little duty out of it. But yeah, should be fun. Not too bad on low boost. What is that? That was a 1445. That's not bad. Racing E30 turbocharged, making like 300 kilowatts. Turned down the boost very low, even though I switched to high. Oh, he got out really well. Even though I switched to high, the car was just donkey. That E30 goes well. Like, he just sat there. That was a 13.7 flip. I mean, I guess I should give it a little more boost. Yeah, that was fun. That was a nice run. So I'm going through my log of that last run. I was on 1.2 bar against the E30. So I have no idea how much power it's making at 1.2 bar. I would say just over 200 if I'm lucky. Yeah, so I didn't do too badly against that E30. I would like to have another run against him, and I'm gonna make a little bit of tweaks, maybe turn the boost up a little bit. But I am genuine. The car felt slow. Yeah, I hope I get to have another run against him, maybe a bit later. But for now, I'm racing a Mk1 2-litre 8-valve. So I'll just tweak a little bit. Hopefully I can get my settings and everything happy. I don't think I heard any surging, but to be honest, I was too busy driving. But I think at 1.2 bar it's probably okay. it feels so dead on top because there's just no timing in it. So essentially this is the map, is basically my old pump fuel map without water meth. So I'm currently running without any ethanol. Usually I'll race on eth. So that's the party map, that's with all the timing. It's got 8 degrees on top. I think I might need to add a little more timing, pull some, I'll maybe turn the boost down to 1.2 bar again, and then just add some timing. So I ran a 1347 there, which is not bad. I don't know how much boost that was. So my boost duty cycle was on 40% for the previous run, which was 1.2 bar. I turned it up to 45, but because I'm on a 3-port, on a 4-port, it scales weird, man. So you'll go from 50%, so 50% was like 1.9 bar, and then 40% is 1.2 bar. So it's like, it just scales very weirdly. So I need to like find the sweet spot, but I think I'm gonna add some timing because it feels donkey on top.
Who's taking what light?
I just want to show you how full it is over here. It is pumping tonight. I don't have someone to race at the moment. I'm racing JP in the diesel, BMW. It's probably going to be a slaughter. So I've added a little more timing, pulled out some boost. Just, yeah, that previous run didn't sound good. So I just pulled out a little bit of boost. So yeah, I have no idea what it's doing for power, but hopefully it feels a bit better with some timing on top. That was very slippery. I should be able to take it. That was very slippery. I don't know why. That lane, yeah. I gripped up much better before. The track should be grippier now. I didn't change any launch control settings. Come on! Should have taken that. It was a 1395. Traction was just not there on that run at all. Guys, I'm about to race a 63 V8 bi-turbo. My word, am I gonna get the idea of my life. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be bad. So these guys have been like mopping up oil the whole night. I don't know who's throwing oil down, but yeah, it's quite a pain. So this run, honestly, I don't even care that I'm racing the 63. I just want to check. I actually didn't get a chance to check what I was doing for boost there, but the car felt decent. It didn't sound any like weird or anything. I think I should add a little more timing. A little more timing, but I will do that on the next run. Hopefully I'll be racing a very fast 1.8T Mark 1. It's actually a 2-liter 20 valve, that's what it is. And don't think I need the rear view camera for this one. No gears. No gears. Like absolutely nothing. Yeah, something's broken. I've actually broken it. Yeah, that's for sure something broken. Oh man, that's broken. Okay, so I've got a really nice spot to watch the racing. But this is the situation. So I've actually broken something this time. So the shaft snapped off. The outer CV basically just came clean off. And the wheel, the CV, the shaft is actually in the wheel, on the inner wheel. So when we turn the car, it's getting stuck. So I have these lovely gentlemen helping me because what do I know about CVs? So they are trying to help me out here. I held up the racing for like 15 minutes, maybe longer. I feel so bad. But yeah, I snapped second gear and it was not happy. Got Kamil here from J2. The man came out to enjoy a night and I'm putting him to work. I feel really bad, but I'm super thankful that they're here.
Oil is out before you even get the gearbox.
Oh, that is a slaughter. That is a slaughter. It's nearly 10 and I still haven't figured out how I'm getting the car home. So there's a lady sitting over here. She's checking the sound and no one has gone over the sound limit, which is great, even me without no exhaust on.
You can keep this back to.
So that's mine actually.
No, it's fine.
Yeah, so that's
Your CV, everything is still pocketed.
It's still in the splines probably, but that's where it broke.
okay. So it's like 10:30 or something, and we are going to leave the car here. The problem is the way that CV snapped off. If we try to tow the car, the wheel bearing, everything will just come apart and the wheel will fall off. So I'm leaving the car here overnight because we actually just can't move it. So I need another outer CV so we can get it rolling. So tomorrow morning I'll have to come through and fix it and get it towed to J2. I'm on my way to Killarney now. So I've tried to make various plans, but Rudy Rode to the rescue. He has gone through to Killarney now and he's going to fix the car at the track so we can drive it home, and then I will take it from there. I'm probably going to go with the VR6 setup, so bigger CVs, change the hubs, change the disc, bigger brakes, do all of those lovely things. So we're just going to fit a second-hand CV just so we can get the car moving, because it's going to be replaced anyways. But yeah, less than ideal situation. What I should have had was like a dummy CV to pop in place so that it could hold the wheel together. But yeah, I'm learning. I was very unprepared for this, but now I know for next time. And because I'm open diff, I only have to really be concerned about the left side, so I don't have to buy multiple of each side. But yeah, let's go through to the track, see what's happening, and hopefully we can knock this out and get the car home quickly. So I got to the track and Rudy and his compadre sorted the car out so quickly. Flip. So we are moving. I'm so thankful. Nothing stolen, broken at the track. Thanks, Killarney. To everyone that was at the track when I was racing last night, I do apologize for the inconvenience and holding up the racing for so long. Really sorry about that. I don't know what it is about seeing your car rolling that is just fantastic. So this is what other people see. So we're just going to put some air in the tires because the pressure is on like 0.8 bar. Just to get some air pressure in it. Rudy will take the car to his place, get it sorted out, make sure that everything is okay, and then I will fetch it and sort it out. Okay, so actually just gonna take the Mk2 home now, and then I'll prep for the next steps. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Did not end the way I thought it would. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.